Muballigh Dawat Islami and Rukn Shura Abu Madani Haji Abdul Habib Attari will be on his Madani tour to Australia from 30th July 2015 with an intention to propagate Sunnah, where he will deliver his Sunnah-inspired bayanat at two places. Devotees of Rasool living in Australia and neighbouring countries are requested to attend these ijtimaat. First ijtima on Friday 31st of July 2015 at Coburg Courthouse, 1A Main Street, Coburg, Melbourne. Time at 6 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Second ijtima on Saturday 1st of August 2015 at Sydney Olympic Park Courtside Function and Event Centre, Homebush, Sydney. Time at 6 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time.
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।